10420 Park Street. A stunning 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home serenely set on the end of a quiet cul-de-sac, boasting RV and off-street parking and park-like grounds, with casual elegance, quality, embracing warmth and tranquility, tucked away in Bellflower. The moment you step inside, you feel the graciousness, style, and incredible spaciousness. The gourmet kitchen is exquisitely appointed. Escape from it all in your fireside family room. Convenient access opens to the 2-car garage and laundry. The guest bathroom is convenient to the distinctive bedrooms, including the primary bedroom, featuring private access to its own bathroom. Indoor, outdoor living and entertaining is amazing in the secluded rear grounds, as is the tremendous potential of the front grounds. Life is good on Park Street, very good.